Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about the sulfonation of benzene, that how the benzene, the formation of sulfonic acid will be occur. The benzene sulfonic acid will be takes place. Now, what is the sulfonation? This is the introduction of sulfonic group to the benzene ring. This is the definition. Now, this is H2SO4 in the presence of 80 degrees centigrade. When this benzene reacts, it will form benzene sulfonic acid and water. Now, the second one reaction in the presence of H2SO4 at 25 degrees centigrade, it will react to form benzene sulfonic acid. The mechanism of this reaction is very simple. This is actually the SO3. This one is the SO3. But before starting this one mechanism, we are coming toward H2SO4 and H2SO4. This is a reversible reaction to form the hydronium ion plus hydrogen sulfate and plus SO3, sulfur trioxide. This sulfur trioxide will react with benzene to form this product, this intermediate product. And again, in the presence of HSO4, the mechanism will be just like this, that this electron will be first of all attack on this position. So this electron will be out from this position to this position, will come in here. So these are actually two electrons in the form of negative sign. So in the last, ultimately, this bond will be broken down. As you see, H2SO4 will be formed. Just like this is the benzene sulfonic acid. Now, what will take place with this one? This one product will now be react with, as you know, that this is SO3. It will react with H3O plus. So one hydrogen from this one will react with SO3. One hydrogen. So it will form in the last it will form, we can also write these electrons in the form of ring. Or if we can also write this electron just like this form. So this will be SO3H plus one H from this one, and already one O is present. So what will be formed? So this one O, this hydrogen ion will remain just like this. So this is H, this is just like we can write here, this is the O, H. So the H2O, this one H2O will be forming the product like this, and this one H, this is plus, and all this one is minus, so this will be break down, and it will react with this one to form the benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the last one product, which is benzene sulfonic. So what is the definition of the sulfonation of benzene? It is the introduction of a sulfonic group to the benzene ring. So that's all about the sulfonation of benzene. If you have any question regarding this one mechanism, you can ask. Thank you.